Hi everybody, hope you are doing really well. We're going to go over how to multiply polynomials. So this top portion right here, A through E, is a little bit more of a recap because we have multiplied in this sense. What we're going to really focus on is multiplying polynomials. This has us multiply a monomial by either another monomial or a monomial by a set, so polynomial. So what we want to talk about while we're recapping here is you're going to multiply the coefficients. Oopsies. And then terms with the same variables, or we'll put bases, you add those exponents. So here we've got a 5 with an invisible 1 as a coefficient, and each of these x's have a power of 1. So we're going to multiply the coefficients. 5 times 1 is 5. And then we're going to add the exponents on our variable. So the variable or the base stays the same. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 5x squared. Here we're going to look at just the same bases. So we've got x and x. We're going to add 2 plus 3. So we get x to the 5th power. And then we have a y. And our y has an invisible 1 there. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So y cubed. So our solution, or the most simplified version that we can write for this answer, is x to the 5th power times y cubed. Here we've got coefficients. We're going to start with coefficients. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Then we have two variable bases. So we've got our x, which has a 2 and a 2. We add, and we get to the 4th power. And then we have a y, which has a 1 and a 5. So when we add, we get to the 6th power. So our solution is negative 6 times x to the 4th power times y to the 6th power. For D and E, we're going to distribute. Because we've got these parentheses and we have a monomial on the outside, what we're going to do is distribute this first value to all of the quantities inside of the parentheses. So we have 3 terms inside the parentheses, so our answer should have 3 terms. We've got 3 times 4, which is 12. X squared times x to the 1st, so x cubed. Second term, 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. X squared times x to the 1st, so x cubed. And then we have a y value. Then our last term, we've got 3 times 7, so 21, a positive 21, x squared. So our solution, or the most simplified version we can write, is right here. Our next one, we're going to distribute this first term to each of the terms inside. We have 4 terms, so your solution should have 4 terms. Go ahead and give this a shot and then go back and check the answer key. Thanks, everybody.